Most people think healthy food is boring and tasteless, right? I used to think the same until I started making bowls like these juicy air fried chicken kebabs, ready in under 15 minutes and so delicious you will actually crave them.
Better than takeouts?
Better than takeout.
So grab your tea or coffee and sit with me because this one is too good to miss. Okay, ingredients first. Nothing fancy, just basic. Simple chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. These are everyday ingredients, but together, magic. No complicated sauces, no long prep. Let's marinate. This takes less than 2 minutes and that's it. I always keep marinated chicken ready, so meals like this takes literally minutes. Do you meal prep on weekends or cook fresh every single day? I am totally a weekend meal prep person. Honestly, I can't cook from scratch every single day. I'm very curious, tell me in the comments. Now I'm going to chop some onions and bell peppers and add them with the marinated chicken. See, my bell pepper had a heart. Just kidding. Into the air fryer, 400 Fahrenheit, 10 to 12 minutes. We are gonna check after 5 minutes and flip the other side. No air fryer? No problem. We can shallow fry in the pan too. While the chicken cooks, let's prep the bowl. Look at this. Golden, juicy, tender. How is this just in 10 minutes? Layer your veggies first. Put the chicken on the top. This yogurt cilantro mint sauce is my secret weapon. It pairs perfectly with the kebab, adds extra protein, and I keep a jar ready in my fridge as part of my weekly meal prep. And honestly, this sauce makes anything taste restaurant level. You can meal prep this for 4 to 5 days. Tell me if you want the recipe in the comments. Tell me this doesn't look like a cafe bowl, but you saw it came together in minutes. This is my favorite way. Simple, fresh, crunchy. I am all about the healthy food that tastes delicious and doesn't take forever. This bowl ticks all the boxes. High in protein, fiber, and very healthy for you. And the best part, it's very customizable. Add rice, quinoa, or more veggies according to your choice and goal. Save this bowl for busy days. You will thank me later.
কাবাবটা শুধু খেতে কেমন
খেলাম একটু
নরম জুসি আছে।
এটা চাটনিটাও ভালো হয়েছে।
বেটার দ্যান টেক আউটস।
বেটার দেন টেক আউট।
তাহলে আর বাইরে থেকে খাবার কিনবি না, ওপেনলি বল পাবলিকলি।
So why don't you make this one like this every day?
If you like this recipe, check my 20 minutes crispy salmon bowl. Viewers are really loving it. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share and subscribe. This really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy and positive.